Okay, so very quick update because I'm not having time. The rain is approaching. We cut a new seal. This is the old seal. This is the new seal. They're both the same. And I need to hold that now. This is where the seal failed. It was here. It was ripped in two places. If it was only in one, like it was 10 years ago, it wasn't a problem. But then it also cracked here, so the water was leaking here and going through the motor. It was good because we stopped the machine at the time, and we also find very quickly the problem. Here's the rain. It's approaching. And here's the motor and the machine. Right down there is where the water leaked, but that won't be a very big problem. We also greased the bearings. You can see they're stopping more faster now. This is, I don't know where the sticker is. I think underneath or on the other side. Anyway, that doesn't matter. I made also a video presenting the motor. I don't know if I posted that or I will post it. The machine is not leveled. I also oiled these, as I said before, with brake liquid, brake fluid, how do you want to call it. I glued this here because it was more than probably to leak. I'm gonna do a spin test with the new capacitor and the new, where the fuck is that? And with the new, where is that cracked? No, it's not. And with the new I don't know how to call that. The new tiny capacitor I get. Oh, that was going to the TV. The machine was working. The machine is in very good condition now. After all, only that failed seal. But we'll fix it with silicone because why not? Silicone, number one of fixing. Okay, we hold those I've shown you. The wind is blowing. We'll get the machine in the house and do a test wash. I don't know. I'm kind of afraid to do the test wash because anything can fail on this machine. I will let my grandma or my grandpa to turn it on. Even though the timer is on plastic, I'm still not feeling very safe. Here are my hands. They're very dirty. Oh, I didn't touch anything wrong. Yeah. Very massive brakes. You wanna oil them? That's the filter. This is the new draining pump. Bye guys, see you tomorrow.